We're about to start this twin turbo Mustang for the very first time. Actually, this is like the 5th time I actually drove it into the garage, but here we go. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. It sounds absolutely amazing, and I'm ecstatic right now. Now it did idle a little bit. There's still some things I need to go ahead and fix, especially with the intake. There's a few air gaps, but the Mustang is pretty much back. Now let me go ahead and drive it forward for you guys and then backwards just a little bit to prove that it actually runs and drives and I didn't just push it in the garage. No leaks either, bitch.